Hello and welcome to Tangle with Tracy. Today I'm going to do a pattern called Laced on a 2" by 2" bijou tile. You can cut them yourselves or you can get them at, I don't know if you can get them on Amazon, so you probably have to get them from the Tangle store. But they're but you can cut, like I said, you can cut your own. But they're 2" by 2", so they're small, so your little pattern goes quickly. And so today we're going to do laced. And I'm gonna draw my border. And I like to make kind of off borders, not just straight lines. But you could make straight lines if you wanted. You can do anything you want really with your borders. So the pattern's called Laced, and that's exactly what it looks like when you're done. So you start out and you make 2 parallel lines, skip some space, make another set of lines, skip space, another set of lines, until you've got as many on the page as you want. I'm gonna kind of curve off that one. And then when you've got those drawn in, you come and you do kind of a, I guess you'd call it a C, backward C when you're on the top, on each end of your little lines. Just creating C's to close those lines off. And what you're going to have when you're done doing this is it looks like it's going in and out. Just like that. Then you want to come in and color in at the top so that it looks like the lines are flowing through these little tubes, and it gives it a laced effect, like shoelaces or something. This one's a lot of fun to do. You could do borders with it, or you could incorporate it in, an overall design, which I did. I've already done one. I'll show you at the end of the video one I did using this pattern. So as you see, it's starting to take on that ribbon flowing through holes. You can do it straight or you could do it curvy. It's really up to you and what suits your fancy for that drawing session. That's one of the many wonderful things about tangling is, you can take the same patterns and create unique works of art just using the same 4 or 5 patterns over and over, just doing them in different ways. Of course, the more patterns you learn, the more things that you can add to your drawings. I definitely have favorite patterns and end up using them a lot in my compositions. But I'm always looking to learn new ones too, because you never know. One that maybe you didn't think was going to be fun to do, you try it and it's like, oh wait, I like that. So as you can see, it looks like it's, so I'm gonna pull that through there. Now, You could leave it like that and then work around that, but I think this is fun because it kind of gives it a tubular, I don't know what I'd call it, but so you close off these empty spaces right here, connecting the things, and it just gives it a whole nother look. And I think that's fun. So that's the pattern Laced. And then here's one that I did using that pattern, and you can see I didn't, I only have 3 of the little tubes going, whereas I've got more on this one. But you can see there's all kinds of things that you can do with that pattern Laced.